So now let's see how we can utilize the photo filter inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So here you can see that I have a photo opened up, and under the expert mode in the layers panel, you can go around over here, and then on the adjustment layer option, you can go around and select out photo filter. So once you do that, what happens is that a warmer filter is applied. So you can go around and increase and decrease the level of density right here. You can go around and preserve the luminosity or decrease it, as you can see right here. But preserving it really applies the filter onto its best way, as you can see. So you can go around and choose different type of filter, like a red filter right here. You can go around over here and select magenta filter right here, sepia filter, just like this. And you can go around and choose individual color according to how you like, and then apply the filter out over here just like this as well. So that is how you can apply out the photo filter inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements as well. And since it's an adjustment layer, you can just disable and enable it out just like that as well. So that is how you can work around with photo filter inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.